Today, we're putting one of China's hottest tech phones to the ultimate test. Everyone's been talking about it online, but does it really live up to the hype? We're diving deep into its performance, features, and flaws, so by the end, you'll know if it's worth your money. Let's start. Chinese tech brands have been shaking up the smartphone world lately, offering high-end specs at prices that make flagship phones sweat. But affordable doesn't always mean perfect. In this review, I've tested this phone over the last week in real-world conditions: gaming, streaming, photography, and everyday use to see if it can compete with bigger brands. Performance test. This phone packs a mid to high-end processor and a decent amount of RAM. In daily use, apps open smoothly, multitasking is solid, and scrolling feels snappy. But here's the catch: when I pushed it with heavy gaming or multiple apps running, I noticed a slight drop in frame rates and occasional lag. For most users, this won't be a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind if you're a hardcore gamer. Display and design. The display is vibrant and bright, perfect for watching videos or browsing social media. The screen's color accuracy is surprisingly good for the price. The build feels solid in hand, though the phone is slightly heavier than competitors and the camera bump is noticeable. Still, for a phone in this price range, it looks premium. Camera test. The main lens captures sharp and colorful photos in daylight, but low-light shots show noise and reduced detail. Selfies are decent, though they can look a little soft. Video recording is stable, but it's not quite on par with flagship models. Overall, the camera is impressive for the price, but it won't replace your high-end phone if photography is your top priority. Battery and software. Battery life is solid, easily lasting a full day with normal use, and quick charging is a nice bonus. The software is mostly smooth, though the UI has a few quirks like occasional lag in animations and some pre-installed apps you can't remove. Nothing game-breaking, but it's worth noting. Pros and cons. So, here's the bottom line. Pros: great value for money, solid performance, vibrant display, and decent battery life. Cons: occasional lag under heavy load, camera struggles in low light, and slightly heavier build. It's not perfect, but it delivers more than you'd expect at this price point. If you're looking for a phone that packs serious features without draining your wallet, this Chinese tech phone is worth considering. But if you demand flawless performance and top-tier cameras, you might want to keep looking. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you try this phone or stick with the big brands?